There it is. Alright, we are live again. Get everybody tagged here quick, and we'll get this one knocked out. And then I've got the Bowman draft. I'll be starting a little bit later. There it is. Alright, so we've got Corey. We've got Bruce. We've got Nick in this one. Nicholas, National Treasure. How you guys doing? Finally, right? What a couple of weeks this has been. I apologize again. But we'll get everything broken tonight, and I will get it shipped out quick so you have it by the weekend. And we'll just keep plugging. Messier. Bowman draft will be at 7 o'clock EST. About an hour and a half from now. It might start a little bit earlier than that. I'll see what I can do. I've got to run my son to work, and then I'm coming back after this one. Hanson's in this. Travis Raymond is in this one. We've got Brett. We've got Ken. Dennis. Yeah, hopefully we pull some craziness out of this. That would be cool. Alright. Jeffrey, Dennis, Lester, Ken, Nick. Nick is in this? Nick. I think that's it. NT number 3 is live. Let me make sure everybody's in it. Corey, Bruce, Nick, Lester, Anson, James, Dennis, Travis, Anson. Looking through, I think I got everybody. Alright, enter. There you go. There you go. Alright. Let's knock this out. And we'll keep it moving. I'm setting up a wrestling one coming up here soon. I'm going to do some NXT, I think, 19. I'm going to get that picked up here. And we'll get that broken later this week, maybe. I might slow down a little bit over the holidays. My son is coming home. I haven't seen him in a year. So I don't know how much I'm going to do. I know Tyler's going to keep moving. But I might take a little bit of a break. We'll see. Or I'll do small ones. It's that time of year. Alright, gloves are on. Top loaders are ready. Everybody's tagged to it. Sleeves. Top loaders. Alright, here we go. National Treasures. 2019. Let's see what we pull out of this bad boy. And so far, this looks like something that isn't that hard to get. I've been running into huge issues getting stuff. So, yeah, we'll have to keep plugging along. Alright, that's that. That's the crack in the back, see it? And there's your box. I'll put that up in the back so we can see it while we're doing it. There you go. And this one is tightened as well. And what are we going to pull? National Treasures. Oh, we got a 6er right off the bat. There's your book in there too. Let me do this. And we'll go like that. Alright, you ready? First card. Good luck, everybody. Colorado Rockies and Garrett Hampson. Colorado would be Lester. That's a 6 relic. Looks like part bat, part maybe jersey, maybe part sock. I don't know. 71 out of 99. It is player used material. Garrett Hampson of the Rockies. Going to Lester Lim. And there you go. Nice and sleeved up clean. Second one. Oh, even higher. This one is a 7. Justice Sheffield, 9 out of 99. Looks like all maybe socks and some jerseys. You can see the difference in the material. Player used material again. That's for the Mariners. And the Mariners is Travis Wyndham. That's a 7 relic card for Justice Sheffield. Nice. Alright, your third one is going to be... this is funny. The next one, Rhys Hoskins, Phillies. It's like a pinstripe jersey, numbered 27 out of 99. Phillies would be Brett Ross. There you go, Brett. Phillies pick one up with a Rhys Hoskins. There you go. And the next one is another 6. 6 relic. Ronald Acuna for the Braves. Nick Shuttleworth. There you go, buddy. 79 out of 99. Hey, James. How you been? There you go. A 6er. That's a third one that's 6 or more relics on a card. That's Acuna. Kind of cool red, white, and blue and a bat. And we've got Leo DeRocher from Chicago. It's like the Cubs manager. 2 out of 49. Look at that relic. Game used material. Interesting. For the Cubs, that would be Anson. There you go, Anson. And that one goes right in. And then we start with some signatures. Here we go. We have a shadow box signature relic. And this one's going to go to Larry Walker of the Rockies. That's sweet looking. Look at that. It's like right on it. It's kind of a little indent. There's material behind him, and there's material here as well with the pinstripe. 24 out of 25. Larry Walker. Rockies, second one. That would be Lester again. Larry Walker. He was pretty good in his day. Is this going to be 97? I think it isn't. Perfect fit. There you go. Larry Walker. And there's another autograph relic we have. It's going to be... John Duplantier from Arizona. Dual relic autograph. Diamondbacks. James, there you go. 83 out of 99. Wow, I think you won that in a filler for like $5. But there he is. You've got a Diamondback. Duplantier dual relic autograph. Numbered to 99. And then we have Players Weekend autograph. Jeff McNeil for the Mets. 3 out of 99. That is on card. And the Mets pick one up. Mets would be Bruce Evans. Jeff McNeil auto. I know it's not the Met you want, but a Met nonetheless. And then we have one more, and then we go to the book. And this one is Whit Merrifield of the Royals. 6 out of 49 retro signatures on card. So the Royals, Brett Ross, 6 out of 49. And then we have a cut signature book coming up. Numbered to 10. Cut signature numbered to 10 coming up. What is this going to be? 10 out of 10 is the numbering. National Treasures cut signatures. And it is Eddie Matthews. Wow. Holy cow. Is that Milwaukee? Eddie Matthews. Cut signature, number to 10. Look at that. Looks like it came off of some kind of a poster or drawing or something of his. Wow, that's cool. It's the first cut signature I've gotten out of these. That's pretty neat. Number to 10. I don't know how easily that will fit. And I think they go right in. I'm not going to force it. I'll keep that out on the box for now. But that's recapping it. There's your cut signature, Eddie Matthews. And that's number to 10. And then we got a Whit Merrifield from Kansas City. Retro signatures, number to 49. Jeff McNeil, Players Weekend, number to 99 autograph for the Mets. John Duplantier, 83 out of 99. Dual relic auto for the Diamondbacks. We got Larry Walker, Colorado Rockies, shadow box signature. Pinstripe, there's a little bit of a jersey behind his picture as well. That's a nice looking card for Colorado. Leo DeRocher of the Cubs, number to 49. That's his manager. And then we've got a 6 relic Ronald Acuna, number to 99. Part bat, part jersey, maybe part sock. We've got a Rhys Hoskins, number to 99. Looks like a jersey. Pinstripe through it for the Phillies. We've got a Justice Sheffield 7 relic, number to 99 for the Mariners. And we've got another Rocky and Garrett Hampson 6 relic, number 71 out of 99. Part bat, part jersey, maybe part sock. Looking at the material that it is. Pretty cool. Nice little start for the night. National Treasures Box 3 is done. I appreciate it, everybody. Sorry for the delay. That shouldn't happen again. We've worked through all the little quirkiness that was going on. First time I've had to deal with that in a while. But, yeah, so tonight will be full. We got a pile of Bowman draft to do. 2 full cases. So I will, run my boy over to work, and I'll come back, and we'll get rolling on that. And then we'll go from there. Appreciate it. Thank you again. If you have any questions, feel free to message me anytime. And I will talk to you later. Have a good night.